My cholesterol went down for the first time in years, and this may be why. And there's also a giveaway. Hi everyone, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. I just had an annual physical last month, and part of it is a blood test. I have been very healthy, knock on wood, except my cholesterol has been creeping up in recent years. I believe it's part hereditary because my mother's side of the family tend to have strokes and aneurysm in the abdomen. My mother was also very healthy, except she had very high cholesterol, and she passed away from stroke at age 51. In fact, I will be older than my own mother in several months if I'm still alive. Anyways, I've been watching my cholesterol, which is generally high, but my good cholesterol was also high, so my doctor told me not to worry about it too much until it jumped in 2019. Here's the chart of the last 3 years. The total cholesterol was 169 with LDL bad cholesterol 92 and HDL good cholesterol 63 in 2018. In 2019, my cholesterol jumped to 217 with bad cholesterol 125 and good cholesterol 72. It increased more to 225 with the bad cholesterol 142 and good cholesterol 65 last year in 2020. But I didn't change anything last year in terms of exercise or what I eat. I still ate a lot of fried food, so I was pretty sure my cholesterol was very high this year. However, my cholesterol miraculously went down by 25 points to 200, with bad cholesterol 118 and good cholesterol 67. I know my cholesterol is still high, but I like this downward trend. And the only thing I can think of that may have helped with this downward trend is this Koso, which I have been taking the last 8 months on a regular basis. Koso means enzyme in Japanese. I was very surprised, so I contacted Koso if there's any case like that. And there was a study done on the effect of Koso on the cholesterol. I'll put the link below so you can read it. I'm not making any claim, but from my experience, it's possible that this may have helped reduce my cholesterol, like the study says. When I started taking this 8 months ago, I would simply mix with water or lukewarm water or carbonated water. My new favorite way is to mix it with ACV or apple cider vinegar with about half the amount of Koso and add water about 4 times the amount of Koso. Whenever I took apple cider vinegar, I used to mix with honey, but this is a good alternative because it's sweet enough and it dissolves very quickly. I recently learned apple cider vinegar also helps to lower cholesterol, so maybe I got the dual benefits of the Koso enzyme and the apple cider vinegar in lowering my cholesterol without medication. And finally, the giveaway. Koso is generously offering a holiday giveaway to my audience. They're giving away this full bottle. The retail value is $99. If you want to enter for this giveaway, please do the following 2 things. Number 1, go to Koso's YouTube channel from the link below and subscribe. Number 2, guess 1 ingredient that's in Koso and comment below. Koso has more than 100 fruits, veggies, and plants fermented together for about a year. Here's a hint. If you go to their website from the link below, you can search for the ingredients. This giveaway is open to people with the mailing address in the US. This product comes in a very nice box, so you can gift it as is to your loved ones too. The entry for this giveaway closes this Sunday, December 5th at noon Pacific Standard Time. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below and please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified when my videos up and out.